Welcome to Prime Product Picks. The best Pur filter is probably one of the most important investments you can make for your health. Clean, filtered water is essential, and a good filter can make a huge difference in taste and safety. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Pur filter replacement, exploring why they matter and how to choose the right one for your needs. Number 5. AQUA CREST CRF 950Z Water Filter, 4-pack. Introducing the AQUA CREST CRF 950Z Water Filter. This filter is NSF certified, ensuring it meets strict standards for water quality and safety. It's designed to provide you with clean and refreshing water. The AQUA CREST filter is NSF 372 certified and lead-free. It's also certified against NSF 42 standards, effectively reducing chlorine, bad taste, and odors by up to 96.5%. This ensures the water is safe and tastes great. This filter uses multi-stage filtration. It combines a pre-filter layer with coconut shell-activated carbon and high-quality ion exchange resin. This advanced system maximizes filtration, giving you the cleanest water possible. Beyond basic filtration, this filter excels at removing various contaminants. It reduces chlorine, mercury, rust, sediment, heavy metals, and suspended particles. It also eliminates unpleasant colors and odors, making your water healthier. The AQUA CREST filter uses 100% coconut shell granular activated carbon. This material has a larger surface area and more micropores compared to typical filters. This design meticulously filters out more harmful substances, resulting in fresher tasting water. This filter is interchangeable with PUR CRF 950Z and other models. It's designed for use with various PUR pitchers and dispensers. Please note that this product is not sourced by or sponsored by PUR. What we like. This filter is NSF certified, ensuring it meets strict standards for water filtration. It utilizes multi-stage filtration technology, removing various contaminants for cleaner water. If you are looking for a filter that prioritizes safety and comprehensive filtration, you should consider this one. What people say. Fit great and stay secure while pouring. They fit perfectly in my PUR pitcher and dispenser, and the water tastes just as clean and fresh as it does with the brand name filters. These filters do a great job of removing the taste and scent of chlorine from the water. Number 4. ICEPURE Replacement Filter for PUR Pitchers. This filter is made with food-grade and lead-free materials. It has multiple certifications, ensuring the water is safe for your family. The filter reduces 99% of chlorine, bad taste, and odors. It provides pure water for drinking and other uses. Advanced technology ensures a good water flow rate, reducing your waiting time. You can enjoy clean water quickly. It is recommended to replace this filter every 2 months or after filtering 60 gallons of water. This ensures the best performance. This filter is compatible with various PUR pitcher and dispenser models. It's a convenient replacement for your existing system. What we like. This filter uses lead-free materials, providing enhanced protection for your family. It is also backed by multiple certifications, assuring its quality and safety. If you value peace of mind and want a filter that meets rigorous standards, you should consider this one. What people say. The water tastes great. It filters the water very well. I like the way it filters the water. Number 3. PUR Replacement Filter 1-pack. This is the new replacement filter from PUR. It utilizes genuine PUR technology that you can trust to provide you with clean and great-tasting water. This filter is NSF certified to reduce microplastics, chlorine, and other substances that cause bad taste and odor. It offers 3-in-1 powerful water filtration. When paired with your PUR pitcher or dispenser, this filter reduces over 20 chemical and physical substances. Enjoy better-tasting water with every use. Each filter is engineered to last up to 40 gallons, or about 2 months with regular use. It provides you with long-lasting, cleaner water. The PUR lock-fit design ensures quick and easy installation. It locks the filter into your PUR pitcher or dispenser system, preventing unfiltered water from mixing. PUR has been developing innovative filtration technologies for over 35 years. The brand believes everyone deserves cleaner, better-tasting drinking water. What we like. This filter uses the genuine PUR technology you trust, with 3-in-1 powerful filtration. It is designed for easy installation, making replacement a breeze. If you like a trusted brand and want a filter that is easy to use, you should consider this one. What people say. Works really well and water tastes good. Our water tastes great. Works as expected. Number 2. Fil-fresh CRF 950Z Water Filter Replacement for PUR. This filter is designed to fit perfectly with all PUR and PUR Plus pitchers and dispensers. It's easy to install, just insert and twist to lock. This ensures a snug fit for optimal performance. This replacement filter works as well as the original. It is a cost-effective solution for your water filtration needs. All manufacturers' names and part numbers are used for compatibility information only. The filter uses NSF-certified activated carbon and ion exchange to remove contaminants. It effectively reduces chlorine, bad taste, and odor, providing you with cleaner water. It removes over 70 water contaminants. Its advanced structure ensures a smooth water flow. This design guarantees a stable and continuous supply of clean water. You can enjoy fresh-tasting water every time. This 4-pack offers the same performance as the original filters, but at a lower cost. Each filter can handle up to 40 gallons of water. Replace it every 2 months for the best results. Replacing the filter is simple and quick. Just insert it and twist to lock it into place. This ensures a secure fit within your pitcher. What we like. This filter is NSF certified to reduce chlorine, bad taste, and odor. It has a powerful filtration system that removes over 70 water contaminants. If you are looking for a cost-effective filter that delivers great performance, you should consider this one. What people say. This filter immediately provided good tasting water and the water goes through the filter much faster. These are made to the same spec as the brand name filters. Work well in our pitcher. They arrive on time, and I am happy with the results. Number 1. PUR PPF 900Z2 Water Filter 2-pack. Tired of waiting for clean water? This filter provides faster filtration. It is designed to quickly filter your water, so you can enjoy it sooner. This filter offers powerful 2-in-1 water filtration. It removes impurities, providing you with better tasting water. Only genuine PUR filters are certified to reduce multiple substances. It ensures that you get the quality and performance you expect from PUR. Each filter lasts for up to 40 gallons or 2 months. This provides you with long-lasting value and convenience. The lock-fit design makes installation quick and easy. It ensures a secure fit, preventing unfiltered water from mixing with filtered water. What we like. This filter provides faster filtration, so you don't have to wait long for clean water. It uses 2-in-1 powerful water filtration for better tasting water. If you are looking for a filter that offers both speed and efficiency, you should consider this one. What people say. The water tastes great. It filters the water very well. The filter is easy to install. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.